Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick little collection tour. I just want to put a little disclaimer. This is not something that a normal person would have. I have been doing YouTube for many years. I get sent stuff, I buy stuff, and yeah, it just kind of is what it is. This is my room in my house, and if that offends you, then don't watch because anytime I do one of these videos, people get so offended about, oh, I don't like the way it looks, or how your room looks, or you have too much, or it looks like a store, whatever it is. It's my room. It's in my house. It shouldn't bother anyone else except for my husband, and he does not care. Anyways, this here below is a little basket of stuff that I have to back to Mac. That big container back down there is for empties videos, and this one is a video that I have to do for Ipsy. All of the units that I have, the desk, this unit, this, and this will be down below. I'll write them down below, but they're basically from Ikea. These two are Alex Drawers. This one I can't remember. I think it's called like Mulba. And this one's also like the, I want to say the longer, wider Alex Drawer. But I'll try to have all the names down below. And then the containers that I actually have for a lot of this stuff is from different places. So I'll go ahead and mention them as I get to them. My mirror here is from Impression Vanity. It's the Hello Kitty one. And I used to also have another mirror here. Oh God, I forgot the name. I'll put it around here. It was one that had the tablet too that they sent for me. And I love that one, but the Impression Vanity just fit a little bit better, and my mom needed one, so I gave that one to her, and she really enjoys it. Anyways, we are going to jump in here, and this is where I store all my lip products. This I got off of Amazon, and I just have little minis up here. This is from Ross, and this just has a variety of different, products. I try to keep them together by brand, but that just depends. And then these are from Muji drawers. I don't know if they still sell them, but they once had a really great sale, and I bought 2 of them, and I love them. And these are 5 drawers, so I just have a variation of different lip products in here, as you can see there, just by brand. And I have been decluttering anything that smells rancid or anything that goes bad. I've been taking out. And yeah, so everything that's in here is still in good condition. And then this is a lipstick tower, and this is from, I want to say this is Lady Moss. I will try to put it down below, but this is one of these lipstick holders that goes around. And I basically have decluttered quite a bit, but I have a lot of lip glosses and like all my MAC lipsticks. Here in these 2 cups, these are whiskey cups that my brother got me, and they are from The Nightmare Before Christmas, as you can see there. This is Jack, and over there is Sally. I have lip liners divided into like pink and red, and then these are neutral undertones. Then here are eyeliners just by color. This is from Amazon as well. It's supposed to be a lip gloss holder, but I didn't really care for it for that. And then in this cup in the back, I have liners, like liquid liners. Okay, I have an escapee, but those are liquid liners back there. So liquid liners, eyeliners, and then lip liners. And then this is how I store my brushes. This container is from Amazon and spins, and then I have just like face brushes in there. This is from like the Target spot, these little cups, and I have like big powder brushes, and these are all blush brushes. And that's one of the reasons that I don't always keep like every brush that's sent to me, because I already have enough. I try to declutter from time to time, but it's hard. And then these containers came in BoxyCharm, and I split up my eye brushes in here. They're kind of a little disorganized right now, but I try to organize them like big fluffy, medium fluffy, crease brushes, small fluffy, flat brushes, and then like those eyeliner smaller brushes over here. And now we're going to go through every drawer that is in the wide one underneath the lipsticks. The first drawer is primers, and these are some moisturizers in here. I'm not going to go through every product, because if not, this would be like hours long. Here I have like lip containers, and a lot of these things, I have containers that hold them. I find them at Ross or Ikea, depending. Here are shadow shocks. These are little pigments, single eyeshadows, Jelly Much eyeshadows. Next drawer down, these I really didn't like. They crease on me, so I just kind of use them as like for face makeup. These are color-based primers. This is from Amazon to like draw. This is the Wolf Art Face Art palette. Here are glitters. These are from Sydney Grace. These are like more liquid eyeshadows, flakes and God, I can't talk, and glitters. I don't only use this for makeup, I also use it for nail stuff. So this little cart here is all my nail stuff. I do my own nails, like gel nails and stuff like that, and sometimes I incorporate these, or I incorporate them in makeup as well. Likewise with these little stones, I like using them for makeup or for nails as well. And then I love these Yummies ones. And then these are all my eye primers. Oh, and these are little tapes to, like if you want to have like a sharper edge on the outer part of your makeup. Next one is more cream blushes. So cream blushes and then some palettes here. I have 2 drawers of blushes in here. And then these are more single, and then some more palette blushes. So all of these. Then the last drawer is highlighters. These are palettes here, palettes, and then single highlighters, some liquid ones in between there, some liquid ones here, and then some more palettes. And then in these 2 drawers from the desk itself, I have loose powders, face powders, under eye powders right here. And then here, this one's kind of like a little bit of a hot mess, but this is like where I mix foundation and stuff. Here are puffs. This is, what are those called? Like the switch, the Veramona switch makeup wipes. And then I have various different little mirrors in here. And then I have concealers. Then on this corner of my vanity, I have foundations. These are sponges. And then I have this big drawer from Sephora. And this has more of the dewy ones, the ones that don't stand up by themselves. And this is from Sephora, and this container here I just found at Ross. Likewise with this one here, this holds my little setting sprays. These are like makeup removers. And then this 2 drawer thing is from Sephora as well. Here I have mascaras. And then on the bottom one I have brow products. Next up are the palettes. In this little cabinet here I have palettes. I'm not going to go through them, I'm just going to show you guys. These have like smaller ones, so are these. So I have just various different brands in here. And then this 3rd one is more ColourPop, and then I have some Tarte over there. And then the last one holds like bigger palettes that don't really fit anywhere else. So like my BH Cosmetics, some Jeffree Star, like some of these bigger palettes. Next is this huge drawer system. Here I have like my perfumes. These are the other 2 whiskey glasses, and they hold little tiny perfumes. I love small perfumes and like trial size perfumes and roller balls more than full size ones. But these are the perfumes that I have. And then this first drawer is like a hot mess. I just have like my tweezers and scissors so that way my son doesn't reach them. Little puff pads from Amazon, just like a mixture of stuff in here. This second one is sunglasses. This 3rd one is cleaning supplies for like cleaning my brushes. This one is lashes. And then the 5th one as well is lashes. And then here are like little lash tweezers and glues. Next one is bronzers and bronzer palettes. So these are all bronzers and bronzer palettes right here. This one is another palette drawer. These are like Huda Beauty, Tarte, Pure, Nomad. I just have try to separate them out by brand. And then here are my higher end palettes like Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona's bigger palettes. I have her smaller ones over here. Like all of these are her 5-pan ones, like the mini ones and then the bigger ones. And then this is, oh god, like these are some self-made palettes from like ColourPop, MAC, and stuff like that. And then the last drawer is She Glam, Ace Beauty, Hip Dot, like a little, I don't remember, like a few of these are different brands. And yeah, so that is everything. And this is just an overview so you guys can see. But yeah, this is more or less my collection right now. I'm really trying to use up what I have. I really want to try to pan palettes. As you can see, I do have a lot of palettes, so it's kind of hard for me to pan them. If you have any suggestions on how people pan palettes, let me know, because I really want to use like more of my collection, but I don't want to just use a palette for, I don't know, like a month or 2 months to be able to pan it. So it's kind of like I don't know where to go from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I leave out any details, let me know. Or if not, I'll try to include most of the stuff that I have here, what it is, where to get it, down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you want to follow me for more like makeup of the day, get ready with me, like shop my stash kind of content, follow me on Instagram. I also do funny videos on TikTok. I have all of my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.